Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an unboxing video, and specifically it is a Doc Martens unboxing video. So I will be unboxing my latest pair of Doc Martens shoes. But before I get into that, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and to follow me on Instagram. So what new pair of Doc Martens do I have? Well, it is the vegan Clarissa IIs. So this will be my second pair of the vegan Clarissa II sandals. I have the reddish Oxford blood red color, and I got the black pair because I only have that pair of sandals, two like heeled pair of sandals, and I live somewhere in Texas where it is hot, so I should probably have more than one pair of everyday sandals. So I got these. So let's open them. I've already tried them on, but this is what they look like. They are so pretty, shiny black vegan patent fake leather. I was thinking of getting a different style, but since I already have this style and know I like it, I just went with something I knew I would like. They're exactly like the red-ish maroon color pair I have, with the exception of the hardware. So this has a kind of bronze-ish hardware, while the other ones, let me get them. So here are the other ones. These have a very shiny silver hardware, and this is what they look like. I think these are also just shinier than the other. They also feel heavier, but that is probably because they haven't been worn. I got a size 3 UK, which is a US size 5. It is the smallest size that they carry, so I think they run pretty true to size. They are a little big, but most shoes are a little big on me, and they are a little wide, but nothing that makes them uncomfortable. I know some people don't like the Clarissa II because they get like blisters on the back of their heel. I've thankfully never had that problem, and I hope I don't have that problem with these. But basically this is the video. I will be doing a try on portion and trying them on. They are very comfy. They do take a little bit of breaking in. Recently wore these a few times, and I did have a little bit of, not blisters, but my feet felt sore just because I wasn't used to wearing shoes without socks, because I normally wear boots all the time. I think beyond that, they are very comfy. I am excited to be making a lookbook with them in the future. Maybe next week, maybe in 2 weeks, who knows. But yeah, I'll be showing you what they look like on, so you can get a better idea in case you are looking into getting yourself a pair. So that has been my unboxing / review of the vegan Clarissa II sandals in the Oxford black. I hope that was informative and interesting in any possible way, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.